If you don't know how to 3D model your own models, you can always use the 3D warehouse, which is here. Click on the button 3D warehouse and let it load. And here, search for what you're looking for. I'll take some patio furniture and choose one that looks good. I think I'll choose this one. Click on download. Load this directly into your SketchUp model. Yes. And place it wherever you like. Perfect. So that's download all your models if you don't know how to do it yourself from the 3D warehouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.